Welcome. The following Unity Living Anti-Angst Affirmations, the sixth in this series, will assist you with using your thoughts and words optimally so you may receive the profound benefits of this particular transmission by doing so. Feel free to repeat after each sentence fragment of each affirmation, either aloud or inwardly. Let's prepare the body now to enter into the state of contemplation or meditation. As you take a comfortable seated position, gently close your eyes. Allow the spine to elongate from its base up to the top of your head, and follow the breath as you breathe in and out, and in and out. Feel the body loosen and relax, layer by layer, as you allow it to melt into the seat beneath you. As you continue to follow the breath in and out, and as you allow it to release more and more and more into the seat beneath you, double or even triple the level of relaxation in your body. With every in-breath and out-breath, know that your intention to contemplate the following affirmations helps keep your vibration high and your thoughts aligned with your divine purpose. And so we begin. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I acknowledge and recognize the current conscious and unconscious spiritual angst present within me, which shows up as my struggle with the burdens of life, with love and gratitude. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I allow that angst and resulting struggle with life's burdens to ease and be released gently as they become available for release. Layer by layer to my unity bubble with love and gratitude. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I acknowledge and recognize my empathic connection to nearby individuals, the collective consciousness, and the resulting discomfort I feel, and fear I may not be able to turn off. With love and gratitude. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I allow that empathic discomfort to be gently released as it becomes available for release, layer by layer, to my unity bubble with love and gratitude. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I invite the elevation of my frequency gifted to me through the anti-angst transmission, which allows me to graduate from the education of the human self to a new, more expansive level of exploration of the world from the perspective of my higher self, while remaining within the human body. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I invite and enjoy the shifts of perception and many subtleties that are occurring as a result of my anti-angst transmission. With profound love and gratitude, I acknowledge and recognize that I am now done completely with the old 3D ways of personality and ego-based living. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I know who I am. I know my purpose and why I chose to incarnate at this special time on Earth. With profound love and gratitude, I acknowledge and recognize that I fully embrace and now live in the new 5D way of co-creation. Accelerated manifestation and unity consciousness. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, and as I undergo this ever-unfolding elevation of my frequency, I exude a deep compassion for all living things and a profound love for humanity and all souls and creatures of the cosmos. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I am now totally and inseparably integrated and connected to the allness and isness of the self, and exist in perfect alignment with my best friend, my higher self. This I accept fully with deep gratitude and love. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. And with every in-breath and out-breath, I am that. I am. Continue to ride the breath in and out of your body. Remember to always be aware of your words and your thoughts, which are just as powerful as your words, if not more so. Speak in the affirmative and in the present tense, as the universe hears only the positive. Avoid saying, "I don't like," as the universe hears, "I like," and as a result, what you don't like is sent to you. Avoid saying, "I want." It will keep you in a perpetual state of wanting, and therefore not receiving in the present now. Know that your positive intentions and affirmations have been heard by the universe and will manifest accordingly. Let's prepare now to return to the room. With a deep sense of gratitude, bring your attention back to your body. Feel it energize as it becomes filled with the light of your awareness. When you open your eyes, you will return feeling refreshed and invigorated, more aligned with your higher purpose and your higher self, and more positive than ever. And now, gently open your eyes. Welcome to our new Unity Consciousness Earth and the limitless possibilities it holds. Adonai.